Alright, how to create a house roster part 2. So in part 1 we created a roster, but it was basically a roster for everything, for everyone, for everything. What we're going to do here is we're going to use the roster page to decide what displays in our report. Now, the way we run a report off a form is we need to add an action button which we'll do right here. Now this is using one of New Builder's JavaScript functions, but it's pretty easy to use. You'll see here, that's what it's called. The first parameter is the ID that's going to have. This is the description that will go on the button, and New Run Report will run HS, which if you remember earlier is the report name we gave for House Shift. Alright, so we'll reload our page. Now we've got a new button. Of course, the problem with this new button, we still see all the houses with it. What we really want to see is we just want to see that roster for that month, for that year. So we'll go back into our SQL and we'll just add a where clause. Now I'll scroll through here till I get the right one, but there's quite a few there, so we're looking for roster ID. There we go. And where roster ID equals the hash cookie record ID, which is the ID, the primary key of the ID of the form that we're on. Now, as you can see here, I have some great typing skills. But now we can save that. And return to our roster. Pick the roster. We want Jim, Jerry. And now we'll find we've just got Jim, Jerry there. There's still some problems with the report, but we'll figure them out in the next episode.